Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to negative cosecant of s squared dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put a negative next to du. This one we change by u, so we have u squared. Cosecant of s squared dx we change by negative du. The integration of this one we have arc cosine of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.